Okay, so today we're going to talk about circles. Okay, we're going to talk about first of all, the circumference of a circle, how to find the circumference of a circle, and then the area of a circle. Okay, so first of all, we have a circle, right? And some of the key words, key terms that we have to remember for the circle are circumference, right, which is the rim, right, what goes around. And then we have the radius. The radius is a line that goes from the middle of the circle to the circumference. Okay? That's the radius. The diameter is a line that goes across, across the entire circle from one point of the circumference to the other point of the circumference, going through the middle. Okay? So again, this is a radius, right? And this is a diameter. It goes all the way across. So circumference, radius, and diameter. Those are all very important terms that you have to remember and keep in mind. So we are going to start with the circumference. How to find the circumference of a circle. I'm going to work out 3 problems that deal with that specific task. Okay? So my first circle will have a radius of 4 centimeters. Okay? Now, circumference, right? C is equal to pi times d, where d stands for the diameter. Okay? Now, at home, if you don't have a calculator like the ones that we have at school, you don't have a pi button, it's totally fine. You can use 3.14 for pi, okay? So instead of the pi button, you use 3.14. So let's see what we got. We have 3.14 times 4, which is my, actually got it wrong because this is my radius, right? So I told you that diameter is all the way across, so instead of 4, it will be 8, okay? Because the diameter is always twice as much as the radius, okay? So 8. So you got 3.14 times 8, okay? And that is 25.12 centimeters, right? So once again, okay, that gave me the radius, okay, which was 4, okay? But I want to know the diameter for the circumference. How do you find the diameter? You simply do radius times 2, okay? So radius is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, okay? So the whole thing here is 8, okay? And that is my circumference. Okay, next, in my second circle, I have a radius of 6 inches, okay? 6 inches. So first thing I do, I find the diameter, right? So if the radius is 6, the diameter will be 12, exactly twice as much as the radius. So we have 3.14, which is my pi, times 12. Okay, and that is 37.68 inches. Don't forget your unit. Okay, that's the circumference for the circle. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. For this one, we have a radius of 8 yards, okay, 8 yards. So again, if the radius is 8, my diameter will be exactly twice as much. So 8 times 2, that is 16, okay, at 16. So circumference equal 3.14 times 16, okay? that is 50.24 yards. Okay? 50.24. So once again, remember circumference is the rim all around the circle. Okay? Radius is from the middle of the circle to the circumference. And diameter is all the way across. Okay? From one end to the other end of the circle. Your circumference is given by radius, diameter times pi, okay? Or you can use 3.14 for pi, okay? So that completes our work for circumference.